I am doing a giveaway at 250 subscribers, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you never miss a new video and so you can be entered into the giveaway. We will be giving a waterproof speaker.
Se van a desvanecer, algún día volverás tú al lado mío.
As you can see here from the before shots, the whole car is covered in a layer of dirt that's pretty much covered the whole car.
Moverlo sin pena, ven, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres.
So we're going to start off by rinsing down the wheel and then spraying a degreaser for the undercarriage and then putting a wheel and tire cleaner on the tire and then the rim. Then we're going to agitate it so we remove all that brake dust and grime gently and safely so not induce scratches. And then we're going to rinse it down and move on to the next wheel.
Como es que es combi completa de cabeza a los pies. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono. Te subo el pitch y te derrito el cono. En mis historias siempre te menciono. Pa' esa reina necesito un tono. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono. Con ese beso, chica, me emociono. Con tu cuerpo y tu nivel, ¿quieres otra vez? Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven. Estrés, muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Quieres conmigo. Sé que tú quieres. Quieres conmigo todos esos placeres. Your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so my let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe, said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so my let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Never know, talking like Geronimo, get dropped down like some dominoes.
So we're going to start rinsing the whole car to remove the major stuff, which is the big dirt, the heavy grime.
Head to toe, said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so my let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Now we are spraying the whole car with a foam, nice thick foam, and then we're going to agitate on the emblem. We're going to go with the detailing brush all over the car where I'll miss with my big brush mitt.
Around the clock, sometimes I need me more than 24. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe, said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so my let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe, said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so my let it go.
drying the vehicle with a nice plush microfiber towel and drying the windows. So now we are vacuuming the leaves from the engine bay to make sure everything is cleaned. So now we are applying a nice tire dressing to make that last pop.